Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOG and this is my kitchen where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got hot dog and spaghetti, and I'm going to be making you a gourmet hot dog and spaghetti with Parmesan cheese and garlic bread. Alright, so let's jump into it. Alright. Here's what we got. We got some rolls right here, some French rolls right here. We're just going to chop a couple of those up and make some garlic bread out of that. You have some butter, unsalted. You have a pound of spaghetti. And I'm going to use like a pack and a half of these Oscar Mayer hot dogs. Over here I have a quarter cup of onion that's chopped up, along with some green onion, one stalk of green onion, and one garlic clove right there, already chopped. You're going to need some black pepper. You're going to need some basil. You're going to need some coarse sea salt, or any type of salt you want. Right here is some balsamic vinegar. Some Hutt's pasta sauce. Traditional. Original. This is the original. I have some Parmesan, Romano, and ASIAGO cheese right here. Alright. And over here I have some Parmesan and Romano cheese right here. It's great. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and jump into this. Move this stuff to the side. Now, this is going to be a gourmet spaghetti and hot dog. Now I'm not going to make it like you normally see it on YouTube. They take the spaghetti and insert the pasta in it like this. I'm going to show you one. So they take the hot dog like this and then just insert the spaghetti in it, just like that. So you can put about, I don't know, about 6 or 7 on there or whatever. I'm not doing it that way. This is, let me just put this together. I'm doing hard, working hard, and not smart. We're going to be frying these up also. So I'm just going to put these together like so. Like this, just like that. We might use the whole pack. Normally, use like a pack and a half. So I just use almost a whole pack. I use 3 of them out of this one. We'll be frying. Alright. Alright guys. Now all we gotta do is take it over here and start frying them up. See you guys over there. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna take about that much butter. Half a stick almost. So we're half a stick. Alright. We'll come in with our vegetables. Cooking this on medium right now because I don't want to burn my garlic. So, and while they're doing that, we just come in with our hot dog. Okay, and you're just going to saute these up for about a good 5-10 minutes. And while it's doing its thing over here, You want to get your pot water. Let me see if I can show you that. We won't have to keep going back and forth. We got a pot of water over here. I'm going to throw some salt in there. So it's probably about a teaspoon of salt. Get some olive oil. Put it in there. About a tablespoon. Alright, when it starts bubbling a little bit, then we're just about ready to put it in. Go ahead. Break up my pasta. I break mine in half. Just like that. And drop it down just like that. Just like that. We'll get some tongs to stir that up. So the pasta should take about 15 minutes or whatever the case may be. And till they get al dente. You don't want them too soft, okay? You want a little crunch to it. Not a lot, but a little bit. Alright, we'll come back down here before we decide to go. This is what we're doing here. Alright. And at this point, I'm going to get you a little salt, not a lot, because the hot dog got salt. That's a little too much right there. I just put a little bit in there. Just that. Just that. Right there. You're going to come with your little black pepper. Not like that. Okay? That's all you're doing, guys. Almost done or whatever, then I'm gonna pour the sauce in there. Alright? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. Go ahead and pour the sauce in here. And I'm telling you, it is amazing. Believe me when I tell you, it's gourmet for real, for real. And just stir this around in there. Kind of let this simmer a little bit. Now take your balsamic vinegar. You're going to add like a tablespoon right there. That. We're going to come with us a little sugar. About a quarter. Just to wake up that sauce. Alright, we're going to let this go ahead and cook for about, I don't know, simmer for about 20 minutes. We put my basil in there. A tablespoon of basil. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and let this simmer, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. All I did was cut these in half. Now I'm going to sprinkle some of this garlic, granulated garlic on just a little bit. Just like that. Take you some of these parsley flakes. Put a little of those on there. Okay. Now I'm going to put this in the oven on broil. And then I'll show you what we do. You got to make sure you keep an eye on that. Alright, my pasta is done. Go ahead and drain and rinse these off. Then I'm going to put them in there. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. And take this garlic bread out. Only take a second. You gotta make sure you watch it. There's the garlic bread. Okay. Alright, we're just gonna sit this up here and let it cool down. Since we on, go ahead and take this pasta. All I did is put it in this pot right here, drop it and rinsed it. We're just gonna put it in here, turn this back on, because it's starting to get real thick. Okay? That's all you're doing. Just mixing this up. Alright? Throw you some Parmesan in there if you want right now. Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up. Excuse me. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up and show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. It's my version of gourmet hot dog and spaghetti with Parmesan cheese and garlic bread on the side. So guys, please like, share, comment, and please hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for tuning in. And if you guys want me to make something, just let me know. Now holler. And please feel free if you want some expensive stuff. I got a Cash App in the description. I'm not begging. I'm just saying for a donation to make some other recipes up. Some expensive ones. Okay? So guys, saying that to say this, I'm up out of here. See you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen.